Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to pin someone on Snapchat. So open up your Snapchat and go to your chat menu. From here you can select the person that you want to pin just by holding on them. For example, this person, you just need to hold on them and this little menu will appear. So what you need to do is click on chat settings. And here you have clear chat, pin to shortcut to home screen, delete, message, games, etc. But we all know what we want. We want pin shortcut to home screen. So click on that. Select add. And there it is. It said that the shortcut was created. Then click done. Minimize. And scroll to the other one. I'm just gonna bring it out here. There we go. And there it is. Now we have this person pinned. And we click it. It will directly take us to that person's conversation. That's it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.